Hi, I'm Nigel Yule, Senior Director of Product Marketing for Enterprise Performance Management here at Oracle, and I'm at Open World, and I'm joined by Vinay Nagretti from Wilsonart. Vinay, hi.
Hi, nice to meet you, Nigel.
Good to meet you too. Now, Vinay, I know you've been in a session talking about your use of multiple Oracle EPM products. So let's start maybe telling us some of the products that you're currently using.
Right. So we have two product suites. One is EPM and also the Oracle BI stack.
Right.
And in the Oracle EPM stack, we have Hyperion Planning, HFM for consolidations, FDME, which is for integration between the Oracle BI and also for Hyperion Suite. Whereas going for the Oracle BI, we have ODI, Oracle Financial Analytics for pre-built content, and also we have FDME component, and also the DRM for data relationship management.
Okay, so that's a lot of products.
Yes.
So you've been through a pretty big implementation process. So I know one of the things you talked about in that process was being agile and really reflecting how things went along. So maybe talk to us a bit about how you approached implementation.
So the approach we went was basically there are many ways of looking at the implementation. So we looked for agile, which is basically very short-term outcome-based implementation model, where we engage the business users and also the project team constantly engaged. We show a little bit, we take the requirements, build a prototype or build the requirements, what they were looking for, and again show to them and let them test it, and we take the feedback and refine it. So we went for what we call playback, which is in agile way, it's called sprints. We got short sprints. So we phased out like 7 playbacks, which is nothing but 7 small phases to get it done in the last 14 months. And
Okay, so 14 months, you've got to the position where you are. What are you seeing in terms of the sort of benefits, the improvements within the organization from actually carrying out that implementation?
So one is the big behavior change, because now it's coming from a single version of truth.
Okay.
Earlier it's all Excel based, now you have a single version of truth. So everyone is able to run their reports from the same database or same reporting tool. And the financial close, now earlier it was 12 days, now we are able to close in 5 days.
Wow.
It's a big change from the discipline perspective.
Yeah.
And also the drill down reporting. If you want something to know what's happening in the business, you can go drill down to the source ledgers to know what is happening with the system. So these are the 3 things, the big benefits for the business. Yeah.
Okay. So having got there, I know you're working on some more things. So where do you go from here?
So the next phase, what we are focusing is a little more on the guided analytics, which is more dashboards, and that's what we are looking for a next phase. And of course, the tax provision is one big thing on our side, and financial close manager, account reconciliations, and account payable automation is another one area where we want to digitize pretty much everything. The office is office. There's nothing called manual process. We're going to look for digitizing the entire sea of office.
Fantastic. Vinay, thank you very much for sharing that with us. We really appreciate that.
Yeah, likewise. Thank you. Yeah. Bye.
And thank you for joining us.